Check, check, check. 1, 2. It is Thursday, October 5th, 2023, and it has been, gosh, this entire week. Have not had a single trade. Just these market conditions are not lining up with where my opportunities typically lie, and I've been just conservative. I am thinking about lifting the offer on this Apple here and giving it like 10 cents. I'm going to do it. I'm going to give it like 10 cents. I'm going to put Apple over here. I don't know. Gave it down to 82. If that buyer is real, I got 95 cent on the long. If that buyer is real, and nope, we're gonna get stopped out down here at 82. Okay, guess I'm wrong. Didn't want to risk a lot on it. But once we get over that spot right there, check, check, check. It is just a few minutes after 11 a.m. here, and I am watching this Apple. I tried to long it up here, as it was showing a lot of relative strength, and I did not stay in that position very long. Bombed out of it. And then I just kind of watched it. Market finally bottomed out, it looks like. And now there's just this tremendous buying volume happening down here at pre-market lows. And so I'm actually doing an inversion or a reversion play where I am looking to get long near the pre-market lows just because of the nature of what's happening here in the context of everything else. So I am long this Apple. I was going to try to get in the 80s. I ended up getting it in the 90s. Stops around the 60s, and I'm looking for this thing to go back up to highs. We'll see. We'll see what we get. I did not go very large size because it's not my bread and butter play, so I did about half of the size that I was looking to get. But just looking here on what could be potential targets, you know, the 73.80, that's one spot. The 74 and new highs, that's another spot. So let's see. Let's see what we get. Appears to be the correct trade. So I think if we get up to that 73.80 area, I think I'll take 2 off up there if we can get up there, and then I'll leave a runner for up at new highs somewhere in this area. So we'll see what we get. I'm gonna go back on pause and go back to work, but right now, long this Apple, stop at low a day, and looking to capture a move back to the other side of the pre-market range. Everything very, very tight today, so we'll see how this goes. I don't think I'm going to add to this position. I'm just going to let it go half size so that I can focus on work and just let this move in the background. So already into the 20s here. That's looking better, and maybe we can get a pop back up to there. All right, going on pause. A couple minutes later here now, looking at this Apple long, 20 something minutes after 11, up through the 40s, 50s here, and starting to approach that target of mine up at 80. Looking pretty good. And gosh, I might just take it off right here. I don't know if I'm going to sit around with this. I might just take this whole thing off up here. Let's see if it can get a burst through the 60s, and then I might just take it off up in the 60s on the next pop and just call it. That's really it, and it's starting to look tired here. Nice little move. Can we get up into those 60s? I think we can. I think we can get up into those 60s. There's the 59s. There's the 60s. How about 63 cents? Can we get that 63 cents? And there we go. And just got out of that Apple long right there at 63 cents. Yeah, it wasn't all the way up there, but that's really all I was looking for.